Hi, this is the Stopwatch project for Skill Test 1. This is the HTML file which basically contains a screen display container in which there is a timer container which includes the timer part which changes, the time which changes on clicking on different control buttons which is in the controls container, that is start, stop and reset. And basically the background is a video which is inserted. Now moving on to the CSS file, this is the basic CSS styling which I've used in this project. Now the JavaScript part which adds on the functionality for the Stopwatch project. I've declared 7 variables here, among which the first 3 are for the buttons, start, stop and reset buttons, and the last 2, min element and sec element is basically the minute and second element. Also I've declared 2 more variables, minute and second, and they are set to 0. Now this is a start timer function which basically gives the logic to the stopwatch. Now here we can see that the second value increases, and we check if the second value is less than 10, so it should be 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. So inner HTML is set to 0 plus second. Now if it exceeds 10, then we set it to the normal value of second, that is 10, 11, 12, 13. And when it increases from 59, if it increases from 59, then for every 60 seconds we need to move it to 1 second. So for which minimum increases, the minute increases, and again we do the same with minute 2. We check if it is less than 10, then we set it to 0 plus min, and so on and so forth. Now in the end, if the minute value increase more than 59, then there's an alert that time's up, and the interval stops, the counting stops. Now these are 3 event listeners on 3 buttons. This is the event listener to start button, this is the event listener to stop button, and this is the event listener to reset button. So the logic, the problem which generally I was facing in the beginning was on pressing the reset button or on multiple times clicking on the start button. We usually skipped the interval count, and it used to fasten up. So for that I have written this reset code, and after starting I have just cleared the interval so that that problem does not occur